Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you find vouchers on your Binance app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do is you just go down up here, you click in this sign here in app. So when you click in this sign, it's going to take us here in this list. You click here on rewards up here, then you come to this list here, so just switch into open video. So then it's going to take our time to open with us here, so you just wait in here to open with you this list, and you click here on my vouchers here, click on it, then you come to this list. So then it's going to take you to the next step here, so just switch in to open video, and here you will find all vouchers you have on your Binance app. Here I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. You will find here ongoing vouchers or here past vouchers here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.